A few weeks ago, my mum gave me this book, and you might be wondering what book is this. This is my mum's recipe collection book. And while I was going through the pages, I saw this one recipe, a carrot cake recipe which she used to make when I was little. I thought, why not we make it? To make this carrot cake, we're going to put salted butter and sugar in a big bowl, and then we're going to mix it until the butter and the sugar is well combined. And after that, we're going to put 3 eggs. We're going to put it one by one. And after that, just mix it. And we're going to put vanilla essence. And then just a little mix. And after that, we're going to put the dry ingredients, which are wheat flour, baking powder, cinnamon powder, and soda bicarbonate. And then we're going to sieve them all. After that, we're going to mix it, and then we're going to put the shredded carrots, chopped prunes, and raisins. You can adjust the amount. If you don't like prunes, you don't have to put it. Or if you like raisins, you can put more if you want. It's up to you. Put it in the baking tray. You might want to press it a little bit. And now we're going to put it in the steamer for 50 minutes. Now we're going to make the cream cheese first thing. You're just going to put the cream cheese and some sugar in the bowl, and then we're going to mix it. And after that, we're going to put whipped cream and yogurt inside it. Because we are using yogurt, it will be quite sour. So if you prefer it to be less sour, you can put more sugar in it. And then we're going to pour it on the cake like this. And then voila, it's done.